Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make ginger cookies. These are buttery and bursting with ginger flavor. This is also an easy cookie recipe for the holidays, especially if you don't like rolling out dough for cookies. We'll need softened butter, sugar, a large egg and a little bit of water, molasses. You can use regular molasses or blackstrap molasses, all-purpose flour, salt, baking soda, and for the spices, ground ginger, ground cinnamon, and ground cloves. Also some fresh ginger that I'm going to peel and grate. After we make the cookie dough, we're going to shape them into balls and roll them in sugar. To the flour, add the baking soda, salt, cinnamon, ginger, and cloves. Whisk it to combine. Heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. First, we'll cream the butter and sugar. You can use a stand mixer, hand mixer, or do it by hand. If you're doing it by hand, it'll be much easier if your butter is very soft. I always leave the butter out at room temperature for a couple of hours. If you forget, you can always microwave the butter a few seconds at a time until it's soft and before it melts. Cream it until soft and fluffy. That looks good. Add the egg and water. The molasses, make sure to scrape every little bit in there. Add the fresh grated ginger. Now that's thoroughly mixed, we'll add the flour little by little and mix it on low speed. Now if you want, you can add some finely chopped crystallized ginger, just add it at the end. There is plenty of ginger flavor from the powdered ginger and the fresh ginger though. I love this cookie recipe because it's got all the smells of the season. Give it a final mix. Sometimes there is a little flour stuck in the middle, down at the bottom of the bowl. You can see it's a pretty firm dough. It's best to chill this for at least half hour, then we can roll them into balls. Use a small ice cream scoop or tablespoon to measure out the dough. Form them into balls and roll them around in sugar. Place them on a baking sheet, press down gently to flatten. Bake them in the heated oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Take them out of the oven, leave them on the tray for about 5 minutes, and then transfer the cookies to a rack. Most important thing, don't overbake the cookies. It's a little crispy on the outside, chewy in the middle, and bursting with ginger flavor. I hope you try these easy cookies and let me know how you like them. If you want to get notifications of when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.